Hello our YouTube family, this is Himanshu Paliwali here. We are back with one more GD video. Guys, nowadays our viewers suggesting too many topics and we are back with the one topic which was suggested by our viewer. The topic is very interesting, that is, should India ban the plastic or not? This topic is asked in many competition exams, interviews. So we are back with this GD video and we have two brilliant orator between us. One side Mr. Alpesh is here, another side Mr. Mayank is here. They both will share their points, they both will ask the question and to each other. I request to our viewers also that you should also make some group and start discussion, because whenever you want to increase your communication skill, then GD is one of the best thing. Even though if you don't have any group, then Titanium is also providing online GD classes. So if you want to join, then you can contact on the number which is given in the post. So directly going from Alpesh side, Mr. Alpesh, please initiate this topic. Thank you.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss about should plastic ban in India or not. So I'm in favor of plastic should not be banned. Why? Because there are some points. My first and foremost point is that we can use plastic. It can be used for a long period of time, and plastic products are very useful for household uses. That's the reason we use many products in our everyday life. Because it's not very heavy, it's very durable, and it's not breakable easily. That's why if you are going to purchase any grocery item from the market, then you can carry your grocery item in plastic bags and other stuff. Okay, so and my second point is that plastic material can be easily carried, and plastic can be recycled, and it takes very less money instead of other stuff. So this is from my side. If you have any question, please welcome.
Yes.
Okay, so nicely spoken by you, sir. But I have a simple question, that do you really think that plastic is the only way to carry the groceries from the market? Instead of that, you can use paper bags and cotton bags. So why are you stick to the plastic bags only?
Okay, sir. So a plastic bag manufacturing company says it costs very cheaper in making plastic bags instead of cotton bags and paper bags, and also it's not possible to carry each and everything in paper bag and cotton bags, like which is in form of liquid. So it's not possible to carry each and everything in paper bag and cotton bag. Okay. So this is.
So in continuation of my first question, I want to ask another question, that as you said about the cost, that plastic bags are cheaper. So do you think that it is bad to do one-time investment in cotton bags or in paper bags instead of using plastic bags?
Nice question.
Okay. So yeah, like if you have purchased once cotton bag, but people are not aware about that thing. They don't wash that particular usable bags regularly. They don't sanitize that particular bag regularly. So due to that, many contagious diseases are spreading nowadays, as you know, that corona and all that kind of disease. So that's why we should not ban plastic permanently.
Okay, so now it's my turn to put some points. So my first and foremost point is the non-biodegradability of plastic. As we can see that plastics remains as it is for a very longer period of time without decomposing, which can eventually harm our earth immensely for a very longer period of time. And my second point is plastics. If we are talking about plastics, then what I can say is plastic releases some toxic chemicals which can harm living organism of land as well as aquatic life. And also plastic is a reason for trapping drainage and sewer systems, which can result in flood like situations in our country. So these are all about my points. If you have any question, you are most welcome.
Okay, sir, do you really think so? Is it something, is it ban something permanently solution?
Yeah, certain things need to be banned, because if they are damaging or causing damage to our environment, our earth, then we should ban the particular thing as soon as possible.
Okay, so one more question, sir. You are opposing that we should not use plastic. So, do you have any alternate option instead of using plastic bags?
Yeah, I have an answer for this. Like, if we see, if you are aware of the schemes that government are implementing nowadays, so you might be aware that government is using such kind of bags which are 100% water soluble as well as biodegradable. So we can completely shift, and government also implemented these programs in some part of our country, and I think in future we will be completely shifted to those bags instead of using plastic bags.
Okay, nice. You both explained the topic very well, guys. Actually, the topic is very interesting. Even we can't say that it's a one-sided topic. It is two-sided topic. Yeah, one thing, if I conclude this topic, then I like your question that to ban anything is a permanent solution. Yeah, it is a very good question that if something is wrong, then we should have some alternate option. Ban is not permanent solution. But if something is there is no use of that thing, we can use another thing, we have some good alternates, so we can ban. But what's the condition that we are not banning the plastic factories, we are banning the use of plastic, the what you can say that we ban that consumer will not use that plastic. So it doesn't mean we have to think about from the ground level. Okay, if the consumption or production of plastic will be banned, then definitely the people will not use it. But the problem is that what we can say, paper bag and cotton bags are not as much as used by the people. So somewhere awareness should be there. Okay, yeah, ban is not a permanent solution, but if something is harming our nature and it will harm our future generation also, then it should be banned. So I request to our viewers also that if you have any different point regarding to this topic, or you have any question from their stuff, then must share in a comment section. They will try to answer you also. And if you have any topic which you want us to discuss, then most welcome, guys. So with this end of this GD, I thanks to Mr. Mayank and Alpesh. You both explained your point very well. I request to our viewers, please like this video. If you love to communicate with the people, then make some group, because without group discussion you can't increase your communication skill. So this was a healthy discussion. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.